I'm looking scared, bruh. Imagine I stall, bruh. Whoa! Holy shit! Bro, the gear won't pick up. Oh my god. Oh guys, it's happening. I'm riding a freaking sports bike again. Damn, this is exciting and scary at the same time. It's been a while since I rode a sports bike. Bro, this is... Oh, the engine sound, man. Oh my god. I'm only 38 and it's so fun. What the heck? Let's see if I can overtake this. Woohoo! Oh my god, it's so smooth, bro. Okay, I can feel my ball is literally touching the tank right now. And low key, my back is arched. Bro, my heart is pounding so hard. Woohoo! The downshift and rev match, boy. Oh my god. Let's see if I can lane split. The lane split is a lot harder than Super 4, obviously. The mirrors are a little wide. This is actually happening. I'm back on the sports bike, boys. This is core memory right here. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Oh, bro, the roll off. Oh, we can do a straight line here. Oh, bro, we are only at 4,000 RPM. Whoa, chill out right there, buddy. Oh my god, this is so fun, bruh. The screen is so nice. Let's hear the sound. Oh, throttle is so smooth. Guys, I'm getting psychoed. The fact that this bike is below 30k, kinda insane. Oh, the suspension is so good. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, the toe is burning, bro. What the fuck? Sorry, it's the first time I'm riding a class 2 bike, which means more than 400cc, and pretty hot, bro. Woo! I got lost, bro.
Oh, no wonder.
I ended up like around CDC. That was like, wait, how do I go back? Oh, damn, insane. I was like pulling one straight road and I was just like, whoa, this is very different. To